morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome to another beer stream. Now, I finally get to do the good morning. I'm always jealous when Matt does it, but Matt is so much better at it than I am. I hope you're all well. Hope you're all crushing it. Today's a bit of a special stream. You see it already. We got Amos and me. Hello. Two YT boys. How are you doing, Amos?
Great. What about you?
Good. I'm excited. We should do some extra giveaways today because of the late start. So
Definitely.
chat. I asked the chat what they want. They had some pretty ridiculous recommendations. But maybe
we all know what they want.
We're actually gonna do it. Let's see. Let's get started by looking at the charts. Amos, do you want to start?
Yeah, definitely. So starting with the daily chart, I said yesterday on my stream, if a daily candle closes bullish, you do not want to fade it. You do not want to predict that the next candle will be a reversal. Okay, this is always what I do on the daily chart. If this candle closes bullish, in my head, I'm like, all right, the likelihood of us expanding to the upside and be bullish on the next day is more likely than us reversing. Good. So then you guys see from Friday, we had a bullish close on Monday, so we're bullish. Again, a bullish close on Tuesday. So today we're Wednesday, so we're bullish again. Okay, this is how I find my daily bias. So now we're trading above the opening price, and I would remain bullish, and I would want to see us go back up towards this daily high here, which is at 310, and also this other daily high here, which is at 364. This is my daily bias. This is higher time frame picture. Now let's scale down to the 4-hour chart, and let's try to find reasons on why we should enter. So here, we just tapped a 4-hour fair value gap, sweeping the previous candle's low, closing back inside the range, which is something that me and Nick usually always look for, this kind of candlestick formation, which is telling us basically that the next candle has a big likelihood of closing bullish, okay, when it's rejecting the previous candle's low. So here in this case, 137, reacting to this 4-hour fair value gap. So now if this 4-hour candle closes like this, me and Nick will be like, all right, we will most likely expand all the way to the upside and we could catch a trade here. So then 1-hour chart looks extremely bullish also. We disrespected this gap. Everything is aligning together for now. We just need to see what the open will do. Usually the open goes in the opposite direction as the real draw. So here my real draw would be this high and also the highs here. So this is what I would want to target this morning. But we know that the open could go in the opposite direction. So go here, find resistance, and then get enough fuel here to push up and deliver to the upside. So we'll see. Okay, I always let the open do its thing, but for now, I'm definitely leaning a little bit more bullish. But we could also see one thing happening, which is the open taking out both of these liquidity pools. Okay, so maybe the only entry could be before the market even opens.
Amos, you know what I don't like about the 4-hour chart right now?
Yeah.
The previous 4-hour candle, the one that opened at 2 a.m. Eastern time, swept the 10 p.m. candle's low.
You're right.
Right. And looked very bullish just to then continue bearish and pretty much sweep it again. And now we're again looking bullish, but I'm kind of scared that it does the same thing.
Yeah, I agree. The only thing I like, though, is the fact that the body respected the 4-hour gap so much.
That's true.
So, like, this is just a good indication for me. But you're right, though. We could, this opening price right now from that bearish candle could hold, and I know it. So we'll see.
That is true. Yeah, let's see what the open brings. Chat, what do you think? Are we going higher, lower, or just chopping today? Getting the pre-Thanksgiving chop. Who knows? You know what? Amos, on a bigger scale, by the way, look at this really quick. This is like the red line I have on my chart. This is a textbook trend line going on right now. From
I marked it up yesterday.
29th of October. Like, look, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. Today was the 4th one.
I marked it out yesterday, actually. I saw that. I was like, damn, that broadening formation is crazy.
The thing is, if this trend line breaks to the upside, dude, the next stop is all-time high again.
Yeah, I agree. Definitely agree.
Let's see.
It would be a shift in market structure on the daily chart also. It will be a really, really clean trade.
Hey, also, I just realized, I mean, obviously today, due to Thanksgiving tomorrow, there will be less people in the stream.
Yeah,
That
for
means
sure.
everybody who is here today, your chance of winning a giveaway is so much higher than usual. So we're gonna do some. Maybe. First we need to hit some like goals. We're currently sitting at like, all right, let me refresh. We're currently sitting at 113 likes. Let's make it not too hard for you guys. 255. If we hit 255 likes, we're gonna give away an account. I'm not gonna say which one yet, but we're gonna give away an account. Let's see. This breaks. You know what? I'm gonna stop sharing my screen and we go to yours because I'm lagging like crazy right now when I share my screen for whatever reason. So Colin, if you could switch to, thanks to Amos. I'm lagging a bit less. That would be nice.
Dark charts, let's go.
Yes,
I
sir.
really I like them more actually. I don't think I'll come back to the white chart.
Dark charts are so much better.
It's yeah. it is
So
actually
much better. All right, let's see what the chat says. Most of them say chop. Chop, 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 chop.
To be honest, looking at this hourly candle, we might open higher into this London high. That's usually one thing, Nick, that I saw is the open. If we're close to a higher time frame, time-based liquidity, let's say Asia or London, we really tend to go and sweep it the closer we are. Let's say it's like 925, we will open higher towards that liquidity pool usually.
Yeah, that's true.
So,
however, the line that you have on your chart there, that's Asia high, not London. London is lower. London is at.
I see 2 a.m. London high here.
Well, 2 a.m. is not London. London market opens at 3 a.m. So that's the Asia high.
EST?
Yep, that's the Asia high there. The London high is at 225, like 25,225.
You're being serious.
I'm being serious, yeah.
London session doesn't open at 2.
No, London session opens.
No, but
London opens at 3.
You don't consider 2 a.m. being the London high.
No.
So I consider the what is it?
That's Asia high for me because the market
2 a.m.
in London,
to 5 a.m.
The market in London opens at 3 a.m. Eastern.
You may be right, but like I always view 2 a.m. as London, 2 to 5 a.m.
didn't want to confuse you, man. I'm just saying.
When I learned
ICT,
ICT, for me, 2 a.m. to 5 is London session. All right, and what is it? Yeah, and like 7 to 10 is Asia. Of course, it opens at 6, but
the chat is going crazy right now.
Who thinks?
Chat is going crazy.
London session starts at 2?
Here's the thing, Amos. 2 a.m. Eastern is Frankfurt open. That's the German market. 3 a.m. is London open. That is when the London Stock Exchange opens. So I wouldn't consider 2 a.m. London high if the market opens at 3.
You're right.
Doesn't make any sense to me.
If ICT says that the London high is 2 a.m.,
then I don't give a shit about what he says. That's how you know. Oh man.
I also posted a tweet.
That's some perfect rage page right there.
Yeah, exactly. We don't give a shit about
Look, we never get that much engagement in the chat. Here you go. Easy.
I posted a tweet yesterday. I was like, yeah, I need at least I need to impression farm a little bit because I was in Miami. I wasn't tweeting too much, and I said ICT is the greatest mentor to ever walk this earth. Who in this chat believes what I just said, believes my tweet, and who in this chat absolutely disagrees with that tweet?
You know, I love what Ozempic just said. ICT means I can't time zone. This is great.
I can't trade also. A lot of people say that.
This is funny.
I mean, the
Funny.
cult behind ICT is just insane. Like, as soon as you say something, oh my god, you're getting
Yeah, that's always how it is.
hopped on.
That's
Yeah.
always how it is. But for me, I said London High and Asia High are two separate things right now, but they're very close. They're 10 points apart. So I agree with your idea. That 100% sure. So let's see what happens. Market open is in.
You see,
2
okay.
minutes.
Let me tell you
seconds.
the reason. Let me tell you the real reason why for me I call it the the London High. It's because if it's a 4-hour high, this is usually what you want to target. It's the 4-hour candle's high or low. And in this case, if the 4-hour candle that starts at 2 a.m. and closes at 6, so 5:59 and 59 seconds,
Yeah.
this is for me the London session in a sense. But let's say also it's basically just looking at 4-hour candles and 4-hour liquidity pools.
Yeah, that makes sense.
That's basically it. Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
The market open is in 1 minute and 20 seconds. Oh, I can't wait. Today, I get to say what Matt usually gets to say. I'm not going to be as good as him, nowhere close, but I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, the trend line is about to break here. That big ass trend line from October 29th. Let's see. 1 minute. Odie, is today a half day? I think today the market closes at 4 p.m., if I'm not mistaken. Eastern. But here's the thing, like we're going to be on until 11 a.m. So for 1.5 hours from now. Because afterwards, I think liquidity is just going to dry off.
It's going to die.
Yep.
Who thinks this Real gap's going to hold and create new highs at 9:30?
The 4-hour bullish one, the one that was respected.
No, this 1 minute gap that just got created at
one.
9:29. Are we gonna open high from this gap?
It sure looks like it wants to.
Yeah.
Let's see. Got 10 seconds left. All right, chat. Let's get ready in 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, motherfuckers. Hell yeah. Oh, that's fun.
Let's go.
So 235.75 is the Asia high. Let's see if we take that out. Sure looks like it. I'm now gonna put such.
Say it again. He's like,
I'm gonna put such a heavy focus on Asia high.
Oh my god, we talked about it for like 10 minutes. He's like, yeah, guys, again, the 2 a.m. high is the Asia high, and
I can't time zone. What ICT means.
oh my days.
This is
All
great.
right, type 1 if you think 2 a.m. is the London high. Type 2 if you think it's the Asia high.
Well, if you type
I just want to know.
1, you're just retarded. 25,240. Okay, we took it out.
1, let's go. Come on.
Yeah. Blah blah.
Let's
It doesn't
go.
make sense. It does not make sense.
Yeah, we have some people who knows ball here. they know ball.
Fact is, I agree with the 4-hour candle theory. That for sure. That's for sure. All right. Yeah, Marco making Mario. All right, this trend line is breaking. Could this be the start of going back to all-time highs? Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I would want to see this 15-minute candle close strongly above the high here. That Asia high.
By the way, Trader Maku, no, I do not hate ICT, not at all. I just don't give a shit about the brand or the person or whatever. I like the concepts, yeah, that's for sure. But not thinking that he came up with it. Those concepts have been around for a long time. And also, what I like even more is engagement. So, thank you.
Hamas would have been more profitable if he knew the London Open properly. You're right, bro.
All right. So, what are you looking at right now?
To be honest, I just want this 15-minute candle to tell me the story. If it's gonna close above this 4-hour high, if it's gonna sweep the high and close back inside the range, we will and just knowing NQ in general at the open, we will most likely run back towards the daily high here and have enough fuel by sweeping this high to go and tap 310, in my opinion. So it is going to be a question of, are we going to close above that daily high so I could take a continuation play at the close of that candle? If not, then I'll just potentially look for some sort of range to be formed and then look for a clear entry. For now, it's really hard to say what price is going to do. It will be predicting if I enter right now. So I want to react. I want to see how that candle closes. Is it closing back inside the range, or is it closing above the previous candle's high and the liquidity pool above us?
I have a fun giveaway idea.
Tell me. Tell me.
I'm gonna stop my treadmill right now. Okay. And I'm gonna restart it here in a second. And chat, you get to guess throughout the entire stream. You get to guess how many steps I take until 10:55. Actually, until 10:45. So an hour and 11 minutes from now. You guess how many steps exactly I take. You don't have to put it in the chat right now. I'm going to create a Google form where you put it in. And whoever is the closest gets 100K Lightning funded account. Starting it right now. And we are off. Okay, I'm pretty sure there will be one person, at least one person, that counts my steps now.
Someone's literally gonna be full focused on the steps rather than the stream.
And you know, sometimes I will just increase my speed and then decrease it again.
To be honest, yeah, that definitely sounds worth. It's like an account worth like 400 some bucks just to count steps for 1 hour.
That's true. Now I'm just gonna confuse people. I'm just gonna increase the speed really quick.
We're gonna see him run at a certain point.
Wait, the treadmill doesn't go that fast. Wait. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. I'm running a bit now.
You use it every single day?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm gonna walk for an hour and 10 minutes, chat, and then we're gonna see whoever's the closest. All right. So the 1 minute, kind of making a pullback to Asia high, London high.
Yeah.
I mean, the next really important level for me that I'm looking at is previous month mid. We almost touched it. That's a 50% equilibrium of the monthly candle, 25,278. That is also, by the way, if you zoom out a bit, go to a higher time frame amount, that is also where the crazy move to the downside started on Thursday, the 24th.
Yeah, there is gonna be a big reaction, in my opinion, at 76. Yeah. Like that order block here, that wick. Oko said, walking on the treadmill won't give you an Hamas body. Oko, did you see Nick? I was so surprised. He is in incredible shape. He definitely is.
Nick S?
No, both of you guys.
Well, you too.
Yeah, thank you. But you guys are in incredible shape, actually. Nick, I would say Nick S is just, he just has that bodybuilder kind of.
Dude, Nick S
build. He's just too. He's big.
He's a fucking tank.
He is big. Like he went in the jet ski and I was pushed back immediately, like double my size. But I like you have like that I would say athletic body. This is kind of what I'm leaning a little bit more to have.
Honestly, from the parkour days, that's where it
Nice.
started.
That's
yesterday I did my first high rocks training, and I think with that, like high rocks, CrossFit, etc., that is where you get that real athletic body. Like it was crazy. These are actually useful muscles.
So like it's like CrossFit.
Yeah, it's kind of similar. It's similar to CrossFit.
Is it like you have a timer and you need to do multiple kind of okay, I see.
Yep.
So there's competitions of that, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
There are. Ooh, big drop.
Yeah,
Damn.
we're seeing that 15-minute candle close back inside the range.
That was an 80-point drop.
Yeah. That's huge, actually. Amos, are you a college dropout? Really good question. I only have so I'm 22, and I did around 24 courses in uni, so college. So I have 1 semester left to do.
Hey, Russell, you're getting the 5-minute ban hammer for that comment.
What did he say?
Congrats.
No, you gotta tell me what he said.
Can't wait. I can put it in the background chat.
Put it.
I'm not gonna say it loud on stream. Look at today's live chat in the TTV live.
Let me see that.
Saw it. But you must understand, this guy is always in my London session trolling, and he always gets the ban hammer. Chad, did you take any trades yet? Anybody? Yeah, Marco Megamario, you know by now. You know. Oh, by the way, we hit the like goal for the first giveaway. Damn. Let me think how we're gonna do this. First one. Okay, chat. First giveaway. We're gonna do a 50K growth account. For this one, you have to like the stream. You have to subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna send a link to a Google form here in a second. You have to fill out that Google form, but only do it once. I'm gonna paste it in the chat multiple times. But if you fill it out more than once, you will get disqualified. So fill it out once. Here you go. And then we're going to do Wheel of Names. Pick a random winner. If anybody asks where the Google form is, you will get the ban hammer. Let's see. Oh, Lulu. Nice. You get a ban hammer. 10-second ban. Let's see how many people participate.
And I would love to do a London stream with you guys.
Hey, get up and let's do it.
Yeah, I would have to so it's from when is it? Is it like 2:15?
No, from 3 a.m. London open Eastern time.
I was gonna tell you, is like if the stream starts at 2 and you the stream is called London session. Okay, so it's 3.
It's
all
3.
Right.
That's when London opens, I tell you.
Okay. Okay, 3 to 4, 15, or like 30?
3 to 4:30. We go for 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
Hey, Patrick, that's exactly what I'm doing.
It would have to be on a Friday if I come.
Hey, let's do it.
It would have to be on a Friday.
Let's do
it. Then
it.
I would need the next day to, get me back on track.
All right. Lift the trader. No, there's multiple options. You can just only see the one that really speaks to you, in that form. You can only see the one that is right for you. All right. Nasdaq still holding the 200s.
The chat is crazy.
All right, road. I live in Lucerne, Switzerland.
Oh man.
Nikozo, that is a similar comment to where is it? You want to get a 10-second ban? No, I'm not going to give you a ban. Well, use the at name for the forum.
Do you celebrate Thanksgiving?
Me?
Yeah.
No, we don't have that in Switzerland.
Okay.
We don't have that.
What's like the thing that you celebrate the most, but not, let's say, not the New Year's?
In Switzerland in general, you mean?
Yeah.
I mean the national day is 1st of August. It's kind of like 4th of July, but it's
Okay.
Swiss version.
Yeah. Guess it's July 1st in Canada.
So it's all pretty close. July 1st, July 4th, and August 1st. Hey, Christopher, you were in Lucerne? Nice. Nice. All right, let's pick a winner. So I'm not able to share my screen. You know what? I am able to share my screen. It's just going to lag a bit, but it doesn't really matter.
Unless you're not celebrating Thanksgiving. I'm celebrating everything. As soon as there like
I'm also celebrating
something
life.
to celebrate. Yeah, exactly. I celebrate life at every single moment.
All right. I'm going to copy everybody over to the Wheel of Names, and then the winner gets a 50K growth account. Let's see. Yeah. Let's go to my screen really quick, Colin. Thank you. All right, chat. You ready for this? Let's spin the wheel. 50K growth account. Whoever wins it, make sure to tag me in the chat, please. All right, the winner is Bogey Trades. Bogey. Hey, you won multiple times recently, no?
Man, the same thing is happening to me when I do giveaways. It's like some people win like 2 or 3 times in a row.
Right. And then they go,
They
all
have
say
to be
it's
doing
rigged,
something.
But, I mean, no, it's not rigged. Nice, Bogey. I mean, you should have your email address added already because you won multiple times. So, hey, nice.
That was a crazy candle right here.
That was a crazy candle.
A pullback to 39 is not going to be a bad play, in my opinion.
Pull back to 39, you say?
Yep.
What would be your entry criteria for this one?
More based on inversion for value gaps, lower time frame model on from 930. Let's say 930, you use it as your manipulation fake out. And then created a bearish gap. If you were truly bearish, you should have held this gap in order to create new lows. Here, you will disrespect it in like 7 seconds. So this will be your covering area, basically. So it's more of a 1 minute model rather than.
Gotcha.
I could buy one here. I'll buy one just to be in the trade. Just to show some presence.
You're in 1 mini?
No, 1 micro.
Oh, 1 micro.
I'll add to this position right here. It's just such a an insanely risky trade. I'll be in like 4 or 5, maybe.
All right, chat. I'm also in a trade.
I want to see that candle use this 932 high as stops and just run higher for like 100 points. I just want to be in one of those trades. I always tend to miss out on those. Miriam, every time I open the stream, she's up like 6K.
Yeah, well, but Miriam
trading back.
She trades so differently.
Yeah.
Right? You also got to consider when she makes 6K, she usually makes that with like anywhere between 5 and 10 minis. So 6K with 10 minis is a 30-point move. But she knows, she like the way she trades, she knows she can risk that much and go for these plays. It works out for her. She's doing great. She's killing it.
Yeah. I mean, you build that with a lot of experience, in my opinion, to play those kind of trends and trailing the stops. You won't be able to do that in your first 2 years of trading, I will say.
No, I mean, somebody says walking done, Nick. No, Hell Saint. I said until 10:45. I'm gonna walk for another hour here. And then
Miriam is not here. We miss her. Speaking of Miriam, you guys remember when I said that Miriam had the best hair, and then Nick was second. Literally the same day, we went on the elevator with the whole team to come back in the hotel, and someone said to Nick that he had gray hair, and I was like, Nick, I told you you had gray hair. It was like, all right.
That was funny. All right, I'm actually you gotta analyze the charts and talk about the charts because I'm creating that Google form for the step count giveaway.
All right. But just in one micro right here, I know the move is going to be big. If we push above that 71, I'm going to add to my position. It's like, it's not my model that is forming right now. It's basically a good confirmation on the 1 minute chart that is showing up before my model is showing. So if we break out and we start forming bullish structure like this will be my setup. I usually look for that setup. So this is when I'll add, but this is just a starter. So you guys see basically the likelihood of us going back towards 71 is more than likely.
All right.
But rejecting the 60s here, I would want to see an up close candle above this. If we do have it, we'll most likely run all the way to those 90s. I would say 300 is going to be a big level. Definitely.
Okay. Just creating that form now. Done shortly.
Yeah, first trade I'm going for more than a 1-to-1. There's like some people on Instagram and they're like, yeah, this is not a good RR, or you should have entered here. When I see those kind of comments, you should have entered here. It's like, are you serious?
Love these
It's
people.
like looking at a boxing match and being like, yo, you should have leaned when he threw a jab. Are you are you dumb? It's like, of course you didn't see it, or of course it's just not your approach overall. This is just a lack of awareness, in my opinion.
Love the Insta trolls.
Yeah, but I think genuinely some people are serious when they say that.
Oh yeah, big time.
The thing is, yeah, I think you can't always find a reason why you lost the trade. You know, even if everything is aligning together and it respects your plan perfectly, it doesn't mean that you necessarily did something wrong. No strategy has 100% win rate. Like,
here's the thing.
0%.
Here's the thing. Nobody who's making money trading, nobody would ever comment that on one of your posts.
Exactly.
Nobody.
I totally agree.
Right? Like everybody who's profitable, everybody who's making money with trading would never even think about leaving a comment like that. So just by
totally agree.
just by typing a comment like this, you basically out yourself as being not profitable. And we did just reject the previous month mid level there, 25.
Yeah, this is a big level. It's either we see a big squeeze or we just pull back. This is why I'm break even already on this trade. Was willing to see that 71 level acting as stops and make those few candles run to the upside, but doesn't look too good for now. We need to see aggression to the upside on that 952 candle, or we're gonna get stopped out to break even.
Yeah, Patrick.
All right, so break even here.
Patrick, you're right. Everybody, just do what he does. Easy. Some people, I love how they're trying to figure out how fast I'm walking, what the speed of the treadmill is. Hey, you got to count my steps.
Yeah, guys, I should have taken profits at 75.
Yeah, Amas,
I should have known that this
why did you
candle.
not take profit there? Because look, it's so obvious that this went
Yeah.
down. Like, why did you not
Yeah.
take profit at 280?
Now the worst ones are like, why didn't you trail your stop and let the price go to the upside? And then if you get stopped out, they're like, yo, you should have taken profits, bro. Like, you're greedy.
I fucking love it. Humans are funny.
Yeah. It's like watching a blackjack game and your friend hits blackjack, okay, so ace and 10, and you look at him and you're like, bro, you should have bet the house on that. Like, what are you doing? It's literally the same thing.
Love it. That's why I always say, like, if I could have one superpower, I would love to see 5 minutes into the future.
Yeah.
Imagine
Crazy.
how rich you would be.
Yeah, absolutely. Even one singular minute.
Yeah,
Is
even
good
one,
enough.
but imagine 5.
Nah, 5 is like you turn him into a millionaire in one day.
Dude, 5 is like you turn into a billionaire in one day.
You could definitely, yeah. I agree. Yeah, Patrick, if only you stuck to your 1-to-1. Absolutely.
Wild Deuce is 234 says, I tweeted at you, Nick. Cool, thanks. Oh shit, B-Trader, you caught me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. They were pulling right back into the Asia range. Let's see. Back at 228 now on NQ. ES also pulling back into Asia high.
I love how this 15-minute candle is operating right now. It's just
Yeah, are you looking
showing me that price is gonna go to the downside. I just love it so much.
I just don't like that the 4-hour candle has literally swept the high and the low of the previous 4-hour now. So me, not a fan. You take that into consideration when like the higher time frame has swept both ends?
To be honest, I know it could be a reason why I would potentially lose the trade. Okay, so this trade, when I get in, it doesn't have it's not an A+ setup. I know it. But when I'm trading with Tradeify, let's say I want to put in reps, I want to trade. If it takes me, usually it takes me like 2 months to get a payout, 1 month and a half. If I'm too picky with my trades, it's gonna take me 7. So like those B setups, they are really good setups. They tend to hit, and I would say like being too picky will not necessarily make you more profits. We can make the count and do the math behind it, but someone who has a 75% win rate but only takes 100 trades in a year, compared to someone who takes 300 trades in a year but has a 65% win rate, the person who trades with a 65% win rate will make more money with less risk. You need to put on more risk if you to replicate the same kind of results if basically you are trading that kind of system. So
true. I mean, look at Brett, for example. Brett took he posted on Twitter last night, like he took 150K live account to $1 million within 13 trading days. 13.
It's crazy.
Like, what the hell? What the
I
hell?
don't know how he did it, but it is 100% true, by the way. Like, I saw the account.
Doing Brett things.
They showed me the account balance.
He literally showed the account on stream.
On stream, yeah.
Like on Friday.
That guy is He's on a different world.
Oh yeah, he's a market maker for sure.
Yeah, definitely.
I bet he's sitting right next to market maker Mario, just taking the same trades.
What a good name. That's a clean name, Market Maker Mario.
Yeah, he's an OG here in the chat.
Let's go.
NC,
The name is clean.
1993. Yeah, that's good. Good that you realized it. Because
Yeah,
it did the
money
exact
attracts
same
money.
thing. Gold looks like it wants to go for the gap fill. The opening gap 4166 down to 4127. That could be an interesting draw for gold. I would take this if this 4-hour candle actually, and this is funny because this 4-hour candle did sweep the previous 3 4-hour candles highs and is now showing very, very bearish signals. So for me, this would actually be a short here in 1 minute and 20 seconds. I just need a good entry on it. Let's see what we can get. You're good, Market Maker Mario. I just said that you're a goat. You're a goat. Hey, nice living like Jess. That's awesome. That dude is printing every day. All right, 40 seconds until the 10 a.m. candle.
Yeah. It is displacing extremely aggressively to the downside right now. Really good opportunity to short, in my opinion, on the pullback to 174-ish, depending on how we close here. But if we do close strongly, it will be good short opportunity.
Mm-hmm. I'm looking at a gold short right now. I'm not taking it right when this candle closes. I would want to see a pullback first. I'm not going to just short the low here, but it certainly looks very interesting. I would want to see a pullback on gold to like 4182, and then I would take shorts. I'm still trying to claim out of drawdown from the account that you cooked on Friday.
Oh my god, man. I'm so sorry. Yeah. And people were like, but the clip was funny though.
The clip was hilarious.
Yeah, it was funny.
It was just an eval. It doesn't matter.
Because you had so much faith in me. I saw it. I was like, yo, Mas, you're going to do well with that account. What's up with the account? Yeah, it's cooked. But I will say this, trading in a room with a lot of people who are also traders is not a good idea.
No, on a laptop.
Definitely.
With
On
like...
a laptop with 2 hours of sleep. And like, yeah, definitely not the best thing to do.
It was funny though. It was funny. All right, I said I'm waiting for a pullback on gold to then go short. By the way, let's set a new like target. Let's do another giveaway.
Good question. Amos, I tried to ask the other day, but the chat was too busy. If you're only taking a payout every 6 to 8 weeks, how can you make a living trading? Good question. Is if you put yourself in a position where when you request a payout, it's an insanely big amount, okay, you will be able to live from trading. So this is why I say it's like, if you only trade with 150K growth, of course you can't live from it because the frequency of receiving those payouts is too low, basically. But if you put yourself in a position where you receive 15, even more, then you could definitely live from it, if that makes sense.
JD Florida man is asking, hey Nick, do you track any of your fitness metrics? Have you seen any improvement by walking at your desk? I mean, the main thing is just fat loss, right? From walking, like at least 12,000 steps a day, and just general general fitness, but it's not like I would have tracked it. It's just that I feel better if I hit at least 12K steps a day. I mean, it is exactly what Patrick just said. It is easy calories burned, and you just feel better, more energy. Using energy to produce more energy, basically. All right, there's the pullback on gold.
You have a personal account? Yes, I do. I do. The thing is, stop thinking that it's so easy to get a payout in 1 week. This is exactly the reason why most people will blow their accounts.
Yeah,
It's
true.
unrealistic results. They want unrealistic results. You know how hard it is to make 100% of your account, 150% of your account? It's not easy. Okay, it's not easy. So
True.
if you think like you're gonna make back-to-back payouts in 1 week, averaging 150% of your account by risking 10% every single trade, man, just get hired by the best hedge fund in the world at this point.
Yeah.
Like you're averaging 1,000% a year, my brother.
By the way, I'm gonna take an NQ short here on this Hamas cooked account. With stop
It's
above
still not blown.
225. Huh?
It's still not blown.
No.
Damn, let's go. I like those shorts actually. Really good. I think that distribution will go back down all the way to 18, 118.
Going to session, trying to go for session lows. Let's see.
Really good trade. Amos, will you live stream the AM session every day on Tradeify TV? Unfortunately, not. My segment is at 12 p.m. EST, so lunch hour. More of a calmer session, I would say.
Lunch and learn with Hamas.
Lunch and learn, man. We speak trading. We have a little bit more time to speak, I would say, rather than trade, which is good. I like it.
Let's see. Blaze of Fire, did any of you start with options before futures? I did, but I had no idea what I was doing. I literally lost all my money doing that.
I never traded options actually. I started with Forex though, CFDs.
Interesting.
But I was trading NAS 100, so NAS 100, S&P 500.
Okay, so you were already used to the movements.
Yeah, it
By
was
the way,
basically, yeah.
Something I wanted to add to what you were saying before in regards to how people are trying to get a payout way too fast. It's funny because they're trying to get a payout within like a week or less than a week, but they're willing to work a job for like $3,000-4,000 a month, and they're getting paid like, it depends where you're at. You either get paid bi-weekly or you get paid monthly, right? This is so funny. But then you try to get a payout, like a $10,000 payout within fucking 3 days.
Exactly. So let me come back to the question someone asked.
By the way, I'm break even on risk-free on the trade now.
That was a really good reaction. Where did you enter actually?
My entry was 85.75.
Yeah. Clean.
Like 80,
hopefully it just runs from here.
It has to. I'm not interested. If it comes back up, I'm not interested in this.
Definitely a good break even in my opinion.
Targeting 134.
Yeah, coming back to the question you asked me, let's say, how can you make a living with getting payouts in 1 or 2 months, 1 month and a half, 2 months? Usually it takes me 6 weeks, I would say, in general. The last one took me 6 weeks. And just think about it. For me, I live in Canada, so a 15K payout is $21,400 Canadian. If you average this every single month and a half, 2 months, you're making a pretty decent living. Okay, don't compare yourself to, okay, this guy's a millionaire from trading. He bought a Lambo from. All right, let's be honest. Be realistic. Okay, you scale with time. You scale with your life situation changing. Okay, you can't scale properly, and you can't be mentally okay with the losses of let's say, big trades if your life situation, your financial situation haven't changed yet. Okay? It's extremely important. So yeah, like I said in the stream when we were on the studio, living from trading is already hard enough. So don't even try to compare yourself to unrealistic results.
Yeah, true. Looks like I'm getting stopped out here, break even. I did actually just get stopped out. That was nasty. Damn.
Yeah.
I'm
Definitely a
still
nasty stop out.
interested in gold shorts though.
I like those longs on NQ actually. If we close strongly around those 13s, 15s.
Yeah, I'd reject the previous day high pretty perfectly.
Yeah, we want to see some upside from there.
Let's see. Next trade I will take is most likely gold, or we get a reaction candle from this 5-minute FVG retest on NQ.
I'll tell you one thing that I learned, chat. With my few years, so 4 years in this business, the one quote that represents the business the most is, Nick, you tell me if you agree.
Let's see.
If you want to be rich, okay, let's say in the digital selling product thing, if you want to be rich, you got to lie to the people who want to be lied to. If you want to make a living, you got to tell the truth to the people who want to hear the truth. And to be broke, you got to tell the truth to the people who want to be lied to.
I love that. That's
Listen
a great quote.
closely,
I agree.
because are you the guy who wants to be lied to, or are you the guy who wants to make a living and wants to, let's say, feed his family and scale up smartly, you know?
I love that. That's fire. That is fire. My favorite quote for trading is, trading is the hardest easy money you will ever make.
I totally agree. I totally agree.
It looks like we're getting a reaction here from this
Yeah.
FVG.
I would say like this is a big area to short, because I'm looking for longs, but I see myself being squeezed in those kind of moments exactly right here. So like when a candle flips from being bearish to bullish, this is above the opening price of the candle that you're looking at, is usually where sellers will step in to make that candle flip back bearish. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, so like right here, right now is a good short opportunity. Let's say
I'm actually taking this short again.
yeah, it's in my opinion, it's a good short.
So
But
yeah,
if
I
you
have
get
a 10 point.
if you get squeezed, it becomes a good long.
Yeah, that's true. I have a 10-point better entry than I had before. So let's see. Let's see. My entry was 25,194.
Beautiful trade, in my opinion.
Maybe. Let's see. That's my second favorite quote in trading. It's not over until it's over. Goes in both directions.
Thanks.
Sometimes it misses your stop loss by a tick, turns around and hits TP, and sometimes it does the same at TP. Let's see. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go for a 1-to-1 on this because I don't want to be stuck in this trade if it flips too long. The target will be 163.50, which is like 30 points. Damn. Deja vu, we're fading each other. Well, that happens. That happens. Unique 9 Gaming, when do the giveaways start? Well, we already did give away an account. But let's set a new like goal, actually. Also, we're going to have the step count giveaway at the end of the show. So 10:45 in like half an hour. That's where everybody takes a guess. We're going to have a Google form that you fill out where everybody takes a guess how many steps I did since 9:35. And then the closest one gets a 100K Lightning funded account. But for the next 50K growth account, let's actually get to 470 likes. We're currently sitting at 385.
Come on, guys.
It's doable.
Come on, guys. What's the account we're giving away?
50K growth.
All right. Little $100 here.
Trade is making me work.
Yeah. I think you got it. If this candle closes strongly, like I would never look for a long in those kind of candles at all.
Yeah, no, me neither. That's why I'm short. It's struggling there at the 180s.
Yeah, there's a buyer here.
Mm-hmm.
186.
Probably Brett. Brett just slapping on 100 minis.
What's his size actually?
Depends on the trade. I mean, the last trade I saw of him was 44 minis short.
Right.
44. Trading X Pen, at what time did I start walking on the treadmill? 9:35 a.m. Eastern time. So about, what's that? 40 minutes ago. All right, it is pushing down now. Nice. Nice. I'm going break even with my stop. Do not want to get caught in that if it flips. Worst case, I make $15. Best case, 610. Ooh, that was close. That was close. Almost stopped me out break even again.
Yeah, it's struggling actually.
It is. But it didn't get me yet.
Are you looking at other pairs sometimes? Sometimes I just look at RTY and
I mean,
YM,
I look at YM
and I'm like,
and ES
damn.
and gold. Ooh, is this an example of it's not over until it's over? Because it almost stopped me out. It got 1 point, actually 2 points from my stop loss. That would be funny because I actually used the example it's not over until it's over when I TP hit. Let's go. So that's funny, chat. That's really funny. When I made the example of it's not over until it's over, I told you before, like about 3-4 minutes ago, sometimes it goes 2 points towards your stop loss, doesn't stop you out and hits TP. That's exactly what just happened. It's literally what exactly just happened. So, hey, first trade was a break even, second one was a winner. We're up $630 on the day.
Patrick Justin said, the way Amas said that he sounded like he was cheating on NQ. I swear, it was like, do you ever look at other pairs, man? Like NQ is just pissing me off right now.
That's funny.
Always come back to her though. Always come back to NQ.
Ooh, that was a nice TP hit as well. It's now recovering already. 30 points in seconds here. Damn.
There's a lot of chop, I would say, around like the first 15 in the last few days. A lot of accumulation.
Hey, Scooby Scalper. Hell yeah, just passed 3 evals. Golf clap. Well done.
Let's
Well
go.
done. Well, yeah, Trader Manku, maybe. Maybe I have to say it's not over until it's over more often, and then it hits TP every single time. Maybe, maybe, maybe. You see any setups right now, Amos?
No, actually, this 15-minute candle closed back inside the range of the previous one, but upwick is so big, we could find sellers here stepping in. So don't want too long, don't want too short. The market is not telling me where it actually wants to go. So sitting on my hands, I will wait. The bigger levels that I have right now are 111, 19, sorry, right here, the sell side, which
Yep.
is pre-market low. Okay. I also have 280 and also 310. So those levels are big, and I'll be looking at hourly candles. Are we closing above? Are we rejecting? Then I'll get my buys from that. Also 15-minute candles for sure.
All right. Let's see. It's struggling at 180s. It's just consolidating there for now. How are you guys doing, chat? Anybody made money already? Did anybody take that same trade that I took? Well, Jesse, tomorrow the market is closed.
Yeah. Even Friday, is it a bank holiday? I didn't check.
Friday's just a half day.
Half day. Who's gonna trade on Friday? Are you, Nick?
I mean, maybe I'll look at the charts, but not looking. I usually these days, like, I expect nothing, and if I get something, I'm happy.
How many trades do you take in a day usually?
Usually anywhere between like 2 and 5.
2 and 5. Damn.
Yeah. But I mean, average, I would say 2.
Okay.
5 is like the max. But if I have 2 losers, I stop.
And usually, what's your size on a funded account? Like, let's say 150K growth, but you passed the eval already.
1 mini is what I trade.
1 mini.
Yeah.
But like, how much risk in general?
Anywhere between like 15 and 30 points on NQ, so like $400 to $600.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so nothing
Okay.
crazy.
Yeah, it's nothing crazy. My risk is more than that, but I take less trades. That's
But
why.
you take more contracts, right?
Yeah, I take like $1,000 of risk usually
Okay. Yeah.
because my
Makes
frequency
sense.
is low, and if I know I'm gonna average like 5-6 hours in a month, and letting some room also for mistakes, execution mistakes. Sometimes I'll just miss a setup because I will not be in front of the chart.
Mm.
I need to make back for that lack of trading in a sense by upping my risk.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. I mean, we just talked about it before the show. Since you since you missed a couple of days where you had winning trades, and where
Yeah,
you would have had winning trades, but you
this is
traded on
unlucky.
days where you had losing trades. It's obviously a losing streak, although
Yeah, this is
kind of unfair.
what is happening right now. Is since I took my payout on, when did I take my payout actually? I think around like 1 week and a half ago, 2 weeks. I think almost 2 weeks. I didn't trade on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, which were winning days for me in my strategy. Unfortunately, Monday and Tuesday of this week were losing days for my strategy. So now I'm on a 3 trade losing streak with max size, but I should have been up 1 R basically. So definitely unfortunate, but we're gonna build our way back up. I'm always fine. I always find with taking losses. Really, I'm mad at myself if I don't respect my rules.
Yeah.
Like I swear, I could. It doesn't happen too often, but if I blow an account, but I respected everything, and my system is just in a huge loss streak, let's say, I'll
Mhm.
accept it. I know that a win streak is coming, and to be fair, I've been in a winning streak for so long. It's insane. Like I barely lost in October. Like I barely lost in October. I had somewhat of a decent September. I blew up on that month though. But like June win streak, July win streak, August win streak, September meh, October win streak, and then November it's pretty much rough, I would say. But it's
Yeah.
normal. Like I
But
don't.
you still had that payout though in November, right?
Yeah, in November I took like, I was up 3 Rs, but I give it all back basically.
Yeah. Okay.
I was up 3 Rs to request the payout, so up 3K per account, 15K. But I would say like this doesn't really affect me because I know most of my profits usually come from, I would say like 5 6 months in a year. There is gonna be months where you're just gonna be up 2 3 Rs and you just
Yeah.
need to survive the market conditions. But it's just the fee to be trading your system in general, and that system will give you huge win streaks and huge profits at certain moments. So yeah, this is how I see it. I just try to never compare myself to anyone. I have friends right now who are in like godly winning streaks, like godly winning streaks of 200K, 100K in profits, and of course, it's easy to look at your left and be like, damn, like I could be doing those kind of numbers. I'm not doing enough, but in reality, I've tried that. I've tried to go the other way and either switch strategies or switch my approach in general, and it never ever found the same kind of consistency. You just need to
Yeah.
find the type of person that you are in general. And for me, I'm more of the slow and steady guy. I don't know how you are, Nick, as a person and how you like to manage your accounts, but I'm more of the slow and steady guy. I like to go for more accounts. It takes me more months, but I don't want to spend $10,000 to make 15.
Yeah. No. I'm
This
doing the
is
same. I just like to trade a lot of accounts.
yeah, exactly. Like for me, it's give me more accounts, but let me chill on the activation fee for for some time.
Hey, that's why you trade with Tradeify. Get a growth account, no activation fee. Easy.
Exactly.
Easy.
Or Lightning account, no eval.
Yeah, Patrick, you know, my man. By the way, I have a limit sell on gold at 4194.5. 3 points from here.
Nico said, slow and steady, risking $1,000 per trade. You're kind of right though, but it's my approach. It's like my risk to reward is low, so my win rate is high, and also my frequency is low. So the only way for me, it's exactly the same thing as you taking 2 trades in a day with $500 of risk, but me taking 1 trade every single 2 days, but with $1,000 of risk. It's the same thing. You have to make up for that lack of frequency. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's not a. If you think, let's say, risking 1,000 is like not being slow and steady, I would disagree. I would disagree because my win rate is pretty high. But of course, if like I had a risk reward of like 1 to 3 and I was risking 1,000, it wouldn't make a lot of sense, to be honest.
True.
Even 500 is too much. If you're talking about like the live account perspective, I would agree. But with the amount of leverage Tradeify is giving us, this is my approach, you know.
Patrick is asking Nick why sell order at 4,194.5. Where's the logic? Well, very simple. We have a 4 hour and 4 hour to 15-minute fractal model set up. And actually, what I found out, Patrick, you're gonna be interested in this. 4 hour 15 fractal model setups tend to go and retest the CISD and then reject CISD. So this is an aggressive entry where I literally just take the entry once the CISD is retested, and that is at 4194.5, right? So I'm just taking that short right at that retest with stop above the high of the fractal model candle 2. And yeah, that's the whole trade. That's why I have a sell limit. Let's see if we can get it. By the way, chat, we said 455. No, wait, what did we say? I can't remember. 485? I said 485. You remember, Amos? For the like count? Wait, I can't hear you anymore. You're muted.
Oh, sorry. I don't remember exactly.
I think it's 485. So chat, if you haven't already, make sure you smack the like button, get us to 485 likes, and we're going to do another 50K growth account giveaway. And also, in 15 minutes, we're going to do the step count giveaway, where everybody takes a guess at how many steps I took since 9:35 a.m. And then whoever is the closest wins a 100K Lightning funded account. That's a giveaway that needs some skills.
There's a 30-minute fractal model on NQ. Do you like it?
Let's see. Short or long?
Long. Oh, right now it's
well, it's a 3-minute, a 5-minute, and a 15-minute fractal model on NQ.
Yeah.
Funny enough, that's the one I traded already. That was the reason for my, not the 3-minute, but the 15-minute was the reason for my short on NQ.
Okay, but do you consider that long right here that we have? So like that 30 minutes sweeping the low, closing back? No.
No. I mean, the reason why not is simply because we're in a chop zone right now.
Okay.
And I would anticipate the move out of the chop, and that is just so hard to predict.
Okay.
Let's see. Gold is getting closer to that entry. I'll refresh the like count really quick. Or 442. Oh, okay, gold did just fill me. And we're gonna go for a 1-to-1. I'm in a gold short. Entry was 4194.5, and stop at 4209.2. Target at 4179.8. Let's see. Yamil, no, I'm in a trade on Project X right now, so it's not down.
Yeah,
obviously.
That's what I was gonna say. It's like it's not down.
I'm literally trading live on stream.
Up Yamil. Yamil Young Degen Trader.
Yeah.
Those names are killing me.
That guy.
You guys, it's Project X. The platform is called Project X.
Yes.
I see too many T words.
Yeah, well, for them it's down apparently.
Oh, okay, I guess.
But Project X, Tradeify X is working.
Tradeify X.
Yes. What time does the step counter stop? At 10:45. So in 13 minutes. Let's see.
Do you guys have the same approach on evals, or you go more aggressive? I mean, I explained that last time. I think trading evals is good in a sense, to put in reps and to get comfortable with your strategy, get better, etc. But when you are, let's say, in another level as a trader, when you've been trading for 4, 5, 6, 7 years, and you have a profitable strategy, your approach works, you have the data behind it, then you have to deal with something called the opportunity cost. So the cost of you not trading to get a payout and to be on the road to get a payout right now. So like, let's say you buy a growth account and it costs you like $97. Then you may think that if you don't buy, so basically there is two possibilities. Possibility number one is you buy a $97 growth account, and possibility number two is you buy a $310 lightning funded account. Okay, this would be a growth. So like, by buying the growth account, you might think that you're saving $210, but if you pass that growth account, you literally missed out on $3,000. So like, the real math behind this is you didn't save $200, $210. Let's say you missed out on 2,900 or 2,800.
But to be fair, that only works if you know what you're doing and you actually
absolutely
you don't blow the account and get it to a payout.
For sure. If you, let's say, in the best case scenario, this is the math behind the accounts, basically. Yeah. Like for me, I prefer the lightning. Just for me as a person, I know that if I'm in a win streak, I want to capitalize on that win streak. It's just, these are just the best accounts for me by far.
Yeah, but you know what you're doing.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, you know what? Like count, I don't even care anymore. Let's do a 50K growth account giveaway.
Let's go.
I'm going to send you guys the link to the Google form. For those of you who just filled it out already because you saved it, I'm going to delete you. Link to the Google form is incoming. You got to like the stream, you got to subscribe to the channel and fill out the form once. If you have filled it out before, I deleted everybody, so you have to fill it out again. Keep that in mind, okay? Here we go. Only fill it out once. If you enter more than once, you will get disqualified. By the way, if anybody asks where the Google form is, you will get banned for 10 seconds. Actually, you know what? No, for 1 minute. All right, Patrick, you get the first ban. Congrats. 1 minute ban for Patrick. Where's the form? Jayhawk. Okay, you get a ban too. 1 minute. Done. Boom. Amo assets. Boom. 1 minute ban. That's just trolling now.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah, it's 2K drawdown, Kevin. 2K drawdown, 3K profit target, 2K payout.
And it's end of day drawdown, which is
end of day drawdown also.
Obviously sick.
Yeah, man. These are just the best for me.
Yes, sir. All right. I'm gonna give you 30 more seconds to fill out the form. 30 more seconds. And then I'm gonna pick a winner for the 50K growth. And at 10:45, so in like 8 minutes, we're going to give away 100K lightning funded. But we only do it, or like the person gets it that guesses the step count. But I'll explain in a second how that works. No, Walt uses 234, you're not banned. Welcome back, Patrick. All right, cool. Let's pick a winner. 50K growth account winner. Gonna copy everybody over here. Let's see. Gonna pull up the wheel of names really quick. One sec. All right, here we go. Here we go. The winner of a 50K growth account. And tag me in the chat, please, if it's you. The winner is SS Kai. Hey, SS Kai, congrats. You just won a 50K growth account. Make sure to type something in the chat. Hey, Cody, what's up, man? I haven't seen you in a while. SS Kai, all right, cool. I see you in the chat there. So make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description. And oh, I see it's already there. So that is great. We're going to send you your account within the next 7 days. So please be patient. It's going to be a 50K growth. Congrats. We're going to give away a 100K lightning funded account here in a couple of minutes. So
damn.
Stay tuned, chat. Stay tuned. All right. What is NQ doing?
It's pushing to the upside. I respected that 30-minute framework pretty well, actually.
It did, yeah. I'm still in my gold short, though.
Wait, let me see. You're in your gold shorts?
Yeah, still hovering around break even right now.
So right now, really nice displacement candle to the upside. I like how we're respecting this 15-minute gap and we're pushing to the upside. I would want to see this daily high, definitely. So looking for longs, not necessarily right now, but I would want to see us reject the upper order block here, pull back down, give me a clean entry, and then see price going to the upside. This would be an A+ setup for me.
All right. All right, let's see if you can get it. Gold needs to dump now. Let's see if we can get a move. Cody, are you short gold or NASDAQ? Or ES or something else? Well, it could be, Patrick. It's not going to respect CISD perfectly to the tick and just immediately reverses. I mean, sometimes it does, but let's see. Cody on MNQ. Okay, nice. Yamil, are you some kind of stupid or what? How is a giveaway where literally a random wheel spins and stops outside of my control? How is that rigged? Tell me. Some people, man. You just read off the name of the screen. Yeah, that's the name that won. Oh, God.
He's rage baiting right now.
Yeah, I know. Sometimes it's so funny. Like Yamil, sometimes when he's in the chat, he's super nice and super cool dude. And sometimes he's just, I don't know. Something else. Anvo, hey, what do you consider an influencer? What is the criteria? Yamil, make sure you watch live. That is funny. I love you guys. Anvo. Okay, so that's the definition of an influencer, just like on TikTok talking about anything. Well, I talk about anything on Instagram. Does that count? Does
As
making
soon as you show
content
your
on,
face, I guess it
does make
counts.
content on Instagram count? All right, we have 1 minute and 50 seconds left until I stop the treadmill, and we're gonna do the giveaway, the guest step count giveaway.
You see here exactly, Nick,
Yes. What?
when we're pushing like this,
Well,
extremely
we're
aggressively.
not on your screen now. We are. Yep.
When we're pushing aggressively, and that candle flipped from being bearish to bullish, like this high could become protected.
Yeah.
It
Could
could
be.
at around this time exactly, we could start seeing some downside pressure, and this candle just literally not looking like this anymore. So entering right now would be definitely too early for me. So we'll wait.
All right. Let's see. 1 minute left of walking. Oh, okay. I'm looking at the treadmill step count, actually. That's the exact one. Okay. So here's how this giveaway is going to work, chat. In 37 seconds, I'm going to stop the treadmill, and the step count that is on there is going to be obviously the right answer. I'm going to post a different form, so do not try to fill out the other form. I'm going to paste a different form into the chat. In that form, you have to fill out your guess for how many steps I took since 9:35 a.m. Eastern time till now, and whoever gets the closest wins. You also have to put in your email, so that we already have that. And I'm going to pick a winner in 5 seconds. I'm going to stop walking. 1 sec.
Max.
And stop. Okay. Just need to check. Okay, got it. I got the step count, chat. If you want to take part in this giveaway, it's going to be for a 100K Lightning funded account. Okay, 100K Lightning funded. If you want to take part, you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and you have to fill out that form that I just told you about. I'm going to paste it in the chat right now. Here you go. Whoever gets the closest gets a 100K Lightning funded account.
They can only type once, yeah?
They can only fill it out once, yeah. If you fill it out more than once, you will get disqualified. Trading for keeps, that's basic math. I started walking at 9:35 a.m. Eastern time. Now it's 10:45. If you can't calculate that, you shouldn't be trading.
I have my guess.
You have your guess? Yeah, fill it out too. Almost, fill it out too.
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm checking if somebody already got it. Nope. So far, nobody has got it. I'll give you until 10:50. Until 10:50.
All right. I filled it out.
We have 2 people that are very close so far. 2 people are extremely close. Actually, no, not true. Only one. One person is extremely close, but nobody has guessed it yet. One, shit, that's crazy. So one person is 2 steps away.
Yeah.
2. That's insane. That's crazy.
Yeah,
One
he's
person.
definitely winning that account though.
Well,
2 steps.
except if somebody gets
Yeah, it's not over.
Not over.
Can they see? Can they see someone else's answer?
No, they can only
That's good.
fill it out and then hope.
You see, Nick? Look at what's happening right now on the chart. Like it
What?
does that so much.
Oh yeah,
That candle just flips back.
true. We go to a Moss chart real quick. Yeah, exactly what you said. That's the 1 minute chart, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Somebody else got it. Chat, you don't have to you don't have to put it in the YouTube chat. You have to fill out the form. What are you doing? No, Patrick, you did not guess it right. You did not guess it right. All right, you have 1.5 minutes to fill it out. And Yamil, no, it's not you winning. One person is 2 steps away from the actual count. That is crazy. That is crazy work right there.
He studied. He studied.
He studied. He counted. Who knows?
Do you think you can count? Like
I mean, you could, because I'm always no, but I'm always like doing like this, right? So technically, you can go like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Maybe he definitely did that actually.
Could be. Could be. All right, announcing the winner in 38 seconds. Let's see if somebody else got close. Nope, still that one person. Only one person.
It's over.
Patrick, did you join me on that gold short, by the way? Oh no, it never touched 200. Damn. Okay, you guys want to know who the winner is? Okay, so nobody guessed the exact step count, unfortunately. But we have one legend that came in the 2-step range. So the actual step count was 5,985. And the winner guessed 5,983. And that winner is Tim Trades 1005.
You made 5,900 steps in 1 hour?
Yes, sir.
What?
So Tim Trades 1005. You just won 100K Lightning funded account. Make sure to type something in the chat really quick.
I was way off too, man.
What did you guess?
Nick, I wrote 1,900. I was like, this is a good guess.
1,900. Amos.
What is your pace?
It was 2.5 kilometers per hour. So that is.
Is it like the normal pace for like walking?
It's a slow pace.
Yeah. This is how you know I never walk and never track my steps.
Lul.
Lol.
Now I'm sitting at 12,120 steps for the day.
I mean, that makes sense though. I'm dumb. At least like, yeah, more than 50 steps per minute.
Tim says, yeah, I actually calculated 5,985, but I reduced by 2. That's baller, dude. You can definitely say these things, man. You just won a 100K Lightning funded account. I see your email address is already in your YouTube channel description, and I'll also have it in the form. So congrats, man. We're gonna send you your account in the next 7 days. Well, Nick, Alex, there's no way that somebody could see me through my window. I live in the 26th floor. Hey, the gold trade is starting to play out here.
I would want to see us push on NQ here. Definitely looking pretty clean for longs.
No, real Chris B, I did not slow it down. He did not. Patrick, did you have a limit order at 4,200 on gold? That would have been nasty. That would have been naughty. Finally get to sit down now. All right, looking to take any other trades, Amos?
Yeah, if it accepts this breaker and pushes up around those 70s, I'll look for a pullback.
All right.
And by the way, I have a short. Since you have that desk that moves up and down,
Yeah.
I'll send you an Instagram reel that you can reproduce.
All right. Nice.
Yeah. I'll hop in this wave with you if you don't mind. These kind of videos, I like them. I wanna make some of them.
Do it. Do it.
Do it.
That's the only thing I can do. My specialty. My specialty.
And it works, man.
Yeah,
It's like the videos that are getting the most views by far.
True. The best one so far has 5 million views.
This is insane.
Kind of crazy.
Bonus for Nick.
That's 5 million views, 48,000 likes, 26,000 shares. That's crazy.
That is actually crazy.
Crazy. Wow, Russell. Wow. Dude says Nick's first good trade might actually be gold. Wow. Officially certified hater. How did you do today, chat? Are you green? Red, flat? Russell. I don't give a shit about what you think. I'm sorry. Actually, no, I'm not sorry.
You're a bit. You need to look at the dollar first. You're being reckless. What is he talking about?
Oh, man. It's always somebody, right?
But
You know?
I swear, sometimes the chat could literally ruin your mood so much. If they're
No,
pressing
there's
you.
no way I let the chat get to me. No way.
Nah, for sure, bro. If there's like 20 haters, which I don't think will happen, like that could be like.
Oh, sometimes we do.
Yeah.
Sometimes we do. The thing is this. Hate always comes from below. Hate never comes from above.
Totally agree, man.
You know, so just knowing that is like, okay, cool. You just outed yourself as a loser. Love that. Patrick. Oh God.
Not hating old.
I'm not hating, I'm old. Oh, Russell.
You see the meme that I posted last time on Twitter? That's what I was referring to, man. The thing with the guy holding his head like this.
Yeah, with the headache. Yeah. Russell, now I want to know though, Russell, how old are you?
How old is Russell? Let's make a poll here. Make a poll. Try to guess. But I mean, this is kind of the older guys. This is how they speak usually. I would say, like someone who's like above 50. He really view you like as a kid.
Just 10 years older. Well, 10 years older than who, Russell?
35.
35. So
35 is still young, bro.
The dude is fucking 35 years young. That is actually really young. 35 years young and calls himself old. Okay, Russell, you're a certified hater, and I'm not 25, by the way, Russell. You fucked up twice just now. I'm not 25 and I'm not 28, Russell. Nice try.
You're 25 or you're 28 or something.
Yeah, I'm something.
Yeah, you're
right.
something. Your age is something.
Oh, I fucking love that guy. He's funny. He's always good for a laugh, but he doesn't do it on purpose. That's great. So Amos, with 11 a.m. coming up here, what would you say? Anything? Any motivational words? Any last words for the chat to go into the long weekend?
I will say, guys, of course, trading is not something that is hard. Sorry, it's not something that is easy, but do not let someone tell you that it's hard, okay? Don't trust anyone's word. Go figure it out by yourself, okay? You will see if you, basically how life goes is that if you truly believe in what you're doing and if you put in efforts every single day towards your dream, that compounding effect will be crazy, and you will not see the results in the first few months, the first few years, but after 2, 3, 4 years of doing the same thing over and over again and trying to be better, not just showing up. Showing up is not enough. Let's say you want to be a chess grandmaster. Just showing up and playing chess will not put you in that position. If you want to be good, you need feedback. You need to look back at your game plan, to go and backtest, journal, connect with other traders. So I will say this: do not believe that trading is easy, but do not believe that it's hard, because it's absolutely doable. Okay, so keep on pushing, guys.
All right, I agree with that. And also, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Enjoy your holiday, enjoy your long weekend, and enjoy the family time. We will see you on Monday. For the first stream, it's going to be a London session stream. London session, Amos, at 3 a.m. Eastern time, which is 8 a.m. UK time. So put a W in the chat if you loved this stream. Put an L in the chat if you absolutely hated it. But we thank you for the support, and enjoy Thanksgiving, guys. See you on Monday. Peace out.
Peace out, guys.